So next one, what we are going to prove here. So divergence of A bar cross B bar is equal B bar dot B bar dot curl A bar minus A bar dot curl B bar minus A bar dot curl B bar. So divergence of A bar cross B bar is equal to B bar dot curl A bar and minus A bar dot curl B bar. Okay, so we need to prove this one. So here it is. First we are taking LHS. Here it is having. So LHS is nothing but here it is divergence of A bar cross B bar. So divergence is nothing but simply in symbolic notation what we'll write del dot, right? Del dot A bar cross B bar. And simply we are using the definition here. So del dot divergence definition is nothing but summation I dot dou by dou x of A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar. So this is equal to summation I dot. So again here it is we need to apply the formula now. So dou by dou x of E this is. So when we discussed the properties of vector differentiation, there we said dou A bar by dou x cross B bar plus, and here it is having A bar cross dou B bar by dou x. Dou B bar by dou x. So which is equal to here it is having. So simply you can here it is you can multiply this one instead of that summation I dot dou A bar by dou x cross B bar plus summation I dot A bar cross dou B bar by dou x. Dou B bar by dou x. So here it is, I am going to apply the formula. So already what we discussed the formula, here it is A bar dot B bar cross C bar. This is already people got it in your intermediate level. A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar dot C bar. This is R minus of A bar cross C bar dot B bar. So this is the formula I'm going to apply here. And then divergence of A bar cross B bar is equal. Divergence of A bar cross B bar is equal. First one. So just we can compare this one. Here it is having this is A bar and this is B and this is C. And simply if you apply that, what we'll get? A bar is nothing but I, and here it is B is nothing but simply what we'll write dou A bar by dou x, right? Dou A bar by dou x dot C bar is nothing but B bar. And next here it is for this I'm going to apply this one minus A bar cross C bar. So A is nothing but here it is having A, and cross C is nothing but here it is dou B bar by dou x dot A bar dot A bar. So B is nothing but A. Simply I applied this one for this formula and this one for this one. Okay. So this is equal. Now we need to simplify this one. Here it is. Simply we can write it as so A bar dot B bar, B bar dot this. So B bar dot I cross. So here it is summation as this. So this is summation and this is also summation. So simply what we can write, this is nothing but B bar dot summation I cross dou A bar by dou x. So A bar by dou x. And next minus, this is nothing but A bar dot and summation I cross dou by dou B bar by dou x. Okay. So which is equal to B bar dot. So what we can write in place of this one? Summation I cross dou by dou x is nothing but which formula we applied? This is nothing but curl, and A bar is here A bar minus A bar dot, and here also same thing, summation I cross dou by dou x. That is nothing but simply what we can write curl. So curl and B bar as this. Okay. So this is the one. So very important one, and we apply this one in problems also. Okay. Divergence of A bar cross B bar is equal B bar dot curl A bar minus A bar dot curl B bar. Okay. Once again I'm explaining. Here it is having, first we are taking as curl a bar cross b bar. So curl is nothing but simply I wrote the definition. Here it is del cross, and I applied the definition of del curlum. So summation I cross dou by dou x, and this is as is. And next, there is no change in that. I wrote as is, and I applied the formula for dou by dou x of a bar cross b bar. So I applied a bar cross dou by dou x of a bar cross b bar formula, and I multiplied this one for inside of the terms. After multiplying, what we got it, summation I cross dou a bar by dou x cross b bar plus summation I cross dou a bar dou b bar by dou x. And next, simply we apply this formula. Okay, so this is the formula we applied for this one as well as this one. So here it is, a is nothing but I, and b is nothing but dou a bar by dou x, and c is nothing but b bar. And here it is, I is nothing but a bar, and b is nothing but a bar, and c is nothing but dou b bar by dou x. Just simply I applied that formula here. Curl a bar cos b bar is equal to, a bar is nothing but I dot dou b bar by, sorry, b bar into dou a bar by dou x minus I dot dou a bar by dou x into b bar plus, and same formula I applied this one. Okay, and next we are going to simplify this one. For simplification, what we are doing, I dot b bar or b bar dot I. So simply we wrote it as b bar dot I into dou a bar by dou x. And I didn't do any changes in this. I wrote as this. And here also I didn't do any changes. And here I dot a bar, I wrote it as a bar dot im, and dou b bar by dou x. Only the thing is we need to do modifications first one and last one for getting the result. Here it is what they asked. So for that I'm writing this is b bar dot I dou by dou x into a bar. So a and b bar are constant vectors. There is no change in that. Okay. Then for that, and last step also I wrote I dou by dou x into b bar. And this is a summation b bar is nothing but, is there any change in that summation b bar? Suppose b bar is equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k. Okay, if you are applying summation, is there any change in that? No. So constant vector, there is no change in that. So summation we are applying for I dou by dou x. This is nothing but simply we can write del, and this is the definition of divergence del a, del dot a bar. Okay, so that is only we wrote here divergence a bar, and this is divergence b bar. And next here it is also we wrote del a bar dot del into b bar. Okay, so this is another identity, and very important, these two identities. So divergence of a bar cross b bar and curl a bar cross b bar. Okay, they may ask in word notation or they may ask in symbolic notation. Okay, next one, if f and z, if f and z are two scalar point functions, are two scalar point functions, are two scalar point functions, then prove that, then prove that here it is having divergence of f del g. Divergence of f del g is equal to f del square z, f del square z plus del f dot del g, del f dot del g, del f dot del g. Okay, so very important what we are going to prove all the identities. Okay, already they asked in external exams. Okay, so here it is same first divergence they asked in the sense obviously dot product. Okay, so here it is having given that f and z are two scalar point functions, and then prove that this one. So here it is, what about del f and what about del g? First you need to know that, right? So del f is nothing but, del f is nothing but, del is nothing but simply what we write generally I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, right? K dou by dou j, and we said this is a scalar point function. It means you need to multiply this one with the each and every term, right? So it means simply I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z, k dou f by dou z, right? And next, in the same way, del g, what we'll get for del g? So in the same way, if you write this one, del is nothing but there is no change in that. I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into gm into z. And this is also a scalar point function. So for that, we need to multiply each and every. So I dou z by dou x plus j dou z by dou y plus k dou z by dou z, dou z by dou z. So now you can apply dot product for this. So if you apply dot product, what we'll get? So del f dot del gm, del f dot del g is equal. So dot product is nothing but this is del f and this is del g now. So dot product is nothing but we need to apply I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1 and k dot k is equal to 1. It means what is the I coefficient in del f? Dou f by dou x, right? Into in I coefficient in del g is nothing but dou z by dou x plus in j coefficient there it is having dou f by dou y and here it is having dou z by dou y plus next k coefficient is nothing but dou f by dou z and in this dou z by dou z. This is simply what we applied, del f dot del gm. Okay, so this one we got it. And next del square gn Nadama, here it is. So del square is nothing but, do you have idea about this one or not? Del square is nothing but simply what we are saying, Laplacian operator, right? So Laplacian operator is nothing but del square we are defining as dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou. So here it is, what we wrote there is having. So del f del g dot del f dot del g, what we got it? Del f dot del g, we got it as there it is having dou f by dou x dot dou z by dou x. Next, dou f by dou y dou z by dou y plus dou f by dou z dot dou z by dou z. Okay, and next del square g and term. So del square is nothing but Laplacian operator and we are defining that one as dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square, right? Into gm. So z is equal, if you multiply this one, what will get? Dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square plus dou square z by dou z square. Okay, this is del square z. So now what we require, all the things we wrote before only. So now we have to take LHS what they asked to prove. So divergence of f grad g or f del gm. Divergence of f del g is equal. Simply here it is having divergence is nothing but simply what we are writing, del dot. So del dot f del gm. Okay. So this is equal to, here it is having. So del dot is nothing but. So del dot is nothing but simply what we write, I dou by dou x plus z dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. A dou by dou z. And now dot f del gm. So f into del g is nothing but there it is having what? So del g is nothing but what we wrote it there, I dou z by dou x plus j dou z by dou y plus k dou z by dou z. So this is nothing but f into m. So now apply dot product between these two vectors. If you apply dot product between these two vectors, what we'll get, see here. So here it is having I coefficient is dou by dou x. And here what about I coefficient? We need to multiply f also inside of the term, right? So f into dou z by dou, right? This is the I coefficient. In the same way, dou by dou y of, here j coefficient is nothing but dou by dou y, and here it is having f into dou z by dou y. This is j coefficient. And next plus dou by dou z into, so here it is having f into dou z by dou z now. dou z by dou z. Just simply I applied dot product between these two. Now here it is having, if you observe that, is this in the form of UV formula or not, product of two functions. So simply what we need to write, f into so here it is having dou by dou x of dou z by dou x is nothing but dou square z by dou x square plus dou z by dou x into f derivative is nothing but dou f by dou x, dou f by dou x. So UV formula we are applying here, UV dash plus VU dash, UV dash plus VU dash. In the same way, now f into dou square z by dou y square plus dou z by